Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering a blank RFID/NFC card, an NFC-capable phone or a USB writer, and the writing app. Read the existing lock card UID and any NDEF records. You do this to avoid mismatched formats. Once done, back up that data to a file so you can restore if needed. Measure and mark the card slot orientation, because hardware expects a specific antenna position. Make sure the lock system supports the card ISO type before you proceed to writing. Now you will write the card content and configure keys. Choose the exact card type the lock accepts, because wrong type fails silently. Use the app to write one sector or one NDEF record at a time, and then read it back to confirm. If the lock uses sector keys, program authentication keys carefully and store them securely. You need them for future edits. Also set any required facility codes or access levels. This prevents accidental lockouts when you test the card. Finish by testing the new card repeatedly at the lock. Present it at typical angles and distances to ensure reliable reads. Once it works, label the card with a simple ID and archive the backup file and any sector keys in a secure place for later updates. If you encounter problems, first verify the card type and sector keys match the lock. Then check antenna alignment and reader power. A single quick troubleshooting tip. If reads are intermittent, move the card slowly across the reader to find the sweet spot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.